Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix how to turn off adapter brightness in Windows 11. So how can turn off adapter brightness? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type edit power plan. Open edit power plan. Go to your change advanced power settings. After that, enable adapter brightness on battery is turn off and plug in off. After that, click on OK button and close it. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.